How to get 100 million views on a YouTube video using AI. Well, first you need to demonstrate a skill in your YouTube video. As you can see here on my website, Brubase, my AI is not responding. So here we go into the back end to view the code that makes the request to openai.com. Oh wait, this is where all the female engineers leave.
Engineering really is a boys' club, and I don't fit in.
Need a bitch that can fuck, cook, clean, right.
I don't joke when you get mad.
You sound stupid.
Fucking dirty bitch.
You know me?
Now here we have a immediately invoked function expression in JavaScript, and as you can see it's async, but the real process starts under the await axios. This is where the prompt request is made, and as you can see the URL is openai. The prompt in the data body is where the actual prompt goes, but we're having an error here. It's a status code 429 in the terminal.
I'm sorry, baby, but this thing is just kicking my ass.
This is the correct JavaScript code the request is being made in. So if we go to this 429 error, if we Google in Stack Overflow, it says here that the free trial is up. So the real problem here is that the free trial is up and it requires you to pay.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
So if you log into OpenAI, this is where you can begin the process of actually paying for the API. Now once you've signed into your OpenAI account, you'll be navigated to the dashboard. That's where you go into billing overview on the left, billing overview. You click set up paid account right here. Okay, I'm an individual, and this is where you pay for the API. You put in your credit card number and so on. Now, if you enjoyed it and learned something from this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And check out brubase.com, up and coming social media website with virtually no competition. And check out the AI here using text DaVinci model from openai.com. And give yourself a try at the game section. We also have one game in stock, Backrooms Fourth Turning, third-person shooter based on the Backrooms concept. So go ahead, check it out. Start playing Backrooms the game. Sign up for the account on brubase.com and start posting. New features will be coming soon on the website. Thank you very much.